Okay, good day everyone. My name is Teng Jiang. Today I'm going to present about the code of the hotel management. The first line is the library, and the line 11 until line 22 is the global variable. In line 26 is white press to enter to continue. It means that we may press enter to going to the next page. In line 31 is class room booking. Inside the room booking, we have white display booking received. It will display the receipt when we use this code. In line 54 is the white book service menu. So this is the menu that we use. In line 71 is class customer service. Inside the customer service, we have white room upgrade, extra item request, local event, local food, and local attraction. In the line 83 is white customer service room upgrade. This room upgrade is inside the customer service. And in this line 90 to 95, it will display the total room and room type that is booked. In the line 97, the customer may select the room that they want to change. If the number single room is more than the room, it will display error and go to again. Again is in the line 96. It's such a loop. Then when the customer select room, it will loop the code to let the customer choose until the selection is correct. If the num single room less than num room will minus the num single room. So below all of the room will calculate in this for loop, and change room will represent the room that have changed. The total change room will calculate how many room that the user need to change. And in the second part is the enter new room type. So when customer select the room type that he want, it will automatically class into the new room type. And then below that, the compiler will calculate again how many room the customer is booking and the price. If the customer want to upgrade the room again, they may press Y to loop again this code. In the code 233 is white extra item request. The customer may request the extra item by using this code. And line 245 is white local event. It will display the local event in Malacca. And the line 295 is the white customer service local food. It will display the local food that we have. And line 277, it will display the local attraction to let the customer decide. I have writing the code and fixing all the bugs that we have and make the output more user-friendly for the user. I have learned how to solve the problem while writing code and add more user function to convince us to writing the code, and I used more than a month to develop my part. The obstacle I face is the calculation and update room part. I need to make sure the calculation is correct before and after upgrade room, and how to change the room from existing to the new room. It made me use a lot of time on it. That's all for me. Thank you.
I'm Yi Heng, so I will introduce our code from 293 to 560. So this is validate function. Customer need to type day, month, and year with integer. Month cannot smaller than 1 or bigger than 12. Day cannot smaller than 1 or bigger than 31. Month, if the month is 2 and the day cannot bigger than 29. If the month is 4, 6, 9, 11, and the day cannot bigger than 30. Our year cannot smaller than 2025, although they will return out. If correct, then we'll continue. This is our introduction page. This is our name, hotel name, sign, hotel sign, and address, operation hour, telephone number, Facebook, and IG. This will show to customer, and the customer need to press enter to continue. And this is our menu function. Customer need to enter their name, and we will record their name for later use. And IC number with 12 digit. If didn't type 12 digit, and need to try again. After that is contact number. Then need to enter contact number with 10 digit. If didn't 10 digit, then need to try again. After that, this is our payment method. If the customer want to use touch and go to pay, then need to type T, and others will go to cash. And this is our booking function. We will hide to customer name. Just now they type, and this is our function. And customer need to choose one to select the function. If they go to one, we will they need to type the day, month, and year. After that, we will ask how long they want to stay, and they need to type the day. After that, we will show the one is single room, 2 is twin room, 3 is super room, 4 is deluxe room, 5 is landscape room. customer choose the room they need and the number of the room, and we will record it. If later they got add the room, we will pass together. If they type others number, we will go to error. Please try again. After the booking, we will ask them to want to book again. If they need, press Y. Don't need, and press N. If press Y, we will go repeat the function again. After that, we will show total room and price to them. If they book more than 3 rooms, we will give the discount price. And this is booking content and receipt to them. After show this, we will ask them want to book again. If they press Y, I also repeat the function just now. If they press N, we'll go back to the customer service, the function service. If press option 2, we will go to the customer service, and this is our customer service. We use case to run this. Customer need to press 1 2 3 4 5 to choose their service, and if press other number, we will go to invalid trends and try again. If press option 3, we will go to support center. We got report and rating function here. If one report, and they need to press 1, and we will show this paragraph to them. If press 2, rating function, and then need to press 1 2 3 4 5 to us, and we will show and we will record it and show the paragraph. If other number, we will go to invalid number. After that, we will ask they want to rating or report again. If they want, press Y. Don't need, press N. If press Y, we will repeat this function. If no, it's press N. We will go back to the booking function. So in this subject, I learned many of function that can use, and I have spent for 1 to 2 days for my part. And obstacle I face is for like our booking room, total booking room, and price problem.
Hi, I'm Joamwei, and I would like to continue explaining the code for our hotel management system. First, if the user chooses option 4, the program opens a file called customerbooking_record.txt to check if there are any saved booking records. If the file opens successfully, it reads and displays all the booking records line by line on the screen. If the file cannot be opened, the program shows an error message. After displaying the records, the program asks the user to press enter to exit and continue using the system. After the user chooses option 5, the program allows them to search for their booking details using their IC number. The user is asked to type their IC number, and the program looks through the file customerbooking_record.txt line by line to find a match. If a matching IC is found, the program reads and shows the booking date, name, total price, payment method. If no matching IC is found, the program tells the user that no record was found. After showing the result, the program asks if the user wants to search again by typing Y for yes or N for no. If they choose Y, the search runs again. If they choose N, the search stops and they return to the main menu. Next, we have option 6. The program checks if they have booked any rooms. If no rooms were booked, it shows a message and exits. If rooms were booked, the program asks the user how they want to pay, C for cash and T for touch and go. If the user enters a valid option, the program saves their booking details including their name, contact number, IC number, booking date, total room booked, and payment method. It then displays what rooms were booked and the total price. The program also saves this information to the file customerbooking_record.txt so the user can check it later. After this, a message appears asking the user to press enter to complete the payment. If they enter an invalid payment method, they ask to try again. If at any point the user enters an invalid menu option, an error message appears and they must press enter to continue. Next, we have our buy function, which is designed by us and it will show after making a payment. Lastly, the main function will be displayed intro function, followed by menu function, booking function, and also buy function. From this project, I have contributed in writing the code for this hotel management system, especially putting the file handling and payer method, which I have explained just now. I've learned many knowledges from this C++ programming, for example, the array function, class function, file handling, and many more. Besides, I have learned the most important thing, which is teamwork, which needs in completing assignment and project to produce the best performance for our project and assignment. Next, I have spent a week to complete my part, and I faced a lot of obstacles like bugs and errors in my part because I have zero knowledge, especially in file handling. To solve this problem, I watched YouTube to learn file handling so that I am able to understand how to use file handling. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Good day, lecturer. My name is Edmund, and I'll be presenting about our program. So this will be the starting page, and to start, you have to click enter twice. And so the first one will be entering our name and identity card number. Okay, so it shows invalid because we have entered only 4 number and it requires 12. Okay, so next one will be contact number, 10 digits, and similarly it will be invalid also because we only entered. Okay, so the next one will be room booking, which is the first one of the services provided, and we'll be booking twin room. Okay, so the first one, before booking, we will have to enter the date first. So second, I will assume that 2nd of May 2025. Okay, so how long going to stay? 2 days. Room type, I will choose twin room maybe. Okay, number of twin room 1. And no more booking. And here will be the total price showed, and I'll be calculating the price if it's correct or not. Right. Okay, twin room 180 and 2 days 360, so it's correct. And no more booking again. And next one will be going to customer service, and the first one will be to upgrade the room. Okay, so it shows that we have booked the one twin room already, and current room type will be the number of twin room 1. Okay, so here will be needed to enter the room we wanted to upgrade to. So I will be upgrading to deluxe room. Okay, okay, so we'll be arranging and normal upgrading. Okay, the second one will be request for extra item, and to request maybe we'll be requesting for towel. The number of towel maybe 2. Okay. So it shows that 2 towels will be delivered to a room in 15 minutes. Okay, normal I think. Okay, the third one, finding local events, and here it shows a range of different local events in the past year. Okay, so it shows the past year because we are not able to find the local event this year as this many because it only started like it's February now. Okay, so it will be showing the past year one. Okay, so maybe this one here there will be a Malacca International Formula Jet Ski Championship, which is from the 23rd until the 24th in June, and it's located in Clemak. Okay, so fourth one, local attractions. Here will be the list of local attractions in Malacca. Okay, and the last one would be the local food, and here will be also a range of local food, which is the most famous in Malacca. Okay, so the last one will be making a payment. Okay, so maybe we'll be making in touch and go. Okay, here will be the receipt, and it shows that it's deluxe room because we have already upgraded our room into deluxe. And to check price, okay, price. Okay, so deluxe room it will be 350 times 2 days. Okay, 700. Okay, so here it shows your personal information, the name, the contact number, the IC number, booking date, total room, total price, and payment method. Will be touch and go because we have chosen touch and go. Okay, so that's it for my presentation. Okay, yeah, it will be the output. Okay, so for this whole project, I've contributed in making this code, like fixing the bugs and also improving the codes, and also the presentation as you can see here, and also the making of the report. So after making this whole project, I've learned about the more information about the codes and also the bugs, and I found out that it is quite challenging in fixing the bugs, as you have to find the you have to find the bugs in these so many codes, like 700 something, and finding should be quite easy because it will be showing here, and fixing will be quite hard as you have to find like what is the thing, like maybe a single difference like a semicolon which is not included will be also error. So it is quite a challenging task for me in this project. Okay, so for the project, for the things I've contributed with my group members, we have spent like maybe around for me, for only individual me, I have spent for 2 to 3 weeks in completing all the things I need to complete, which includes the report, the codes. And the reason of this time I've used because it takes time to complete the report, as the things that need to be written has to be based on this code, some of it, and also like there is Chinese New Year, so I have like been dragging the completion time of my part, so it takes some time for me. Okay, that's all.
My name is Mo Zhen, and now I will start to present my part. First of all, we enter our name. And then we enter our IC number. The last one, we enter our contact number. First, we try the customer feedback options. We choose report, and then it will appear this. Now we try the rating options. 5, and then it will appear this. Now we exit. Okay, next we try the room booking options. The date we 4th 7 2025 for 3 days. The room type we choose single room for 3, and then we book again. We choose triple room. Number is 2. And then no, I think that's enough. And now it will appear this. This is the room that we booked and also the total price. Then we enter, exit. Now we try the view options. For the view options, we can see the room that we book and also the total price. And then we enter to exit. Now we try the search options. Enter IC. And from this search option, we can see the room that we booked before that or previously. This is the room booking record. And then we exit. And now we try to make a payment and exit. We use cash. And then it will appear this receipt. The receipt include name, contact number, IC number, booking date, total room, and total price. And then it will appear this. And that's all for my presentation part. For the contribution parts, I do a few contributions to this project. First of all is user interface design. I make sure the system is easy to use and navigate. Secondly, I do debugging and error handling. I identify and fix bugs to ensure smooth program executions. Thirdly, I do testing and quality assurance. I conducted extensive testing to check for errors and improve the performance. The lesson I learned is how to apply C++ programming to real-world applications. Secondly, I learned the importance of teamwork and problem solving. Thirdly, I learned how to manage data and create user-friendly interfaces. For the time, I spent about 2 to 3 weeks to develop my part. There are a few obstacles I meet during the development of this project. First of all is debugging errors that affected functionality. Secondly is managing the file storage and retrieval efficiently. Lastly is ensuring the system is user-friendly and meets customer need. And that's all for my part. Thank you.